Welcome to this tutorial on creating circular text in Figma using a simple process that takes just 5 minutes. In this guide, we will walk you through a series of clear and sequential steps that will help you create eye-catching circular text within your design projects. We begin by having you open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. This is the starting point for all your design projects, and once you are on the home page, you can begin the process. After Figma loads in your browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will see the option to log in. Simply click on the login option to proceed. This step is important because accessing your account ensures that your designs are saved to the cloud and that you have full access to all the Figma features. Once the login option is selected, the next step is to simplify this process by choosing to continue with Google. Figma offers single sign-on using your Google account, which saves time and provides a secure way of logging in. By clicking on Continue with Google, you accept the streamlined login process provided by Figma, and you move a step closer to accessing your design workspace. Following that, you will be prompted to choose which Google account you wish to use to sign in. Select the account that you typically use for your design projects. This ensures that your designs are organized and easily accessible in your selected workspace. After successfully signing into Figma using your Google account, you should navigate to your project workspace. Use the provided link that takes you directly to the project you will be working on. Within your project workspace, you will find a toolkit at the bottom of the screen. Here, look for the option labeled Actions. By clicking on Actions, you open up a menu that provides various tools and features to enhance your design workflow. Within the Actions menu, carefully locate the section named Plugins and Widgets. Plugins greatly extend Figma's functionality, and for this particular tutorial, you'll be utilizing one that is dedicated to creating circular text. After accessing the Plugins and Widgets section, you will be called upon to type in text arc in the search field. This simple keyword search will help you find the exact plugin designed for generating text on an arc or circular path. Once the search results appear, identify the plugin named Text Arc, click on it, and then select the option to run the plugin. With the plugin now activated, you are ready to add your own creative elements to the design. The next phase of the tutorial involves entering the text of your choice. You will also be provided with an option to adjust the radius, which controls the curvature of your text to achieve a pleasing circular layout. After you have entered all your desired text and set the radius according to your preference, finalize the design by clicking the Generate button. This action instructs the plugin to render your text in a circular form, following the settings that you configured. The plugin processes the input and displays a beautiful circular text design on your canvas that is ready to be integrated into your overall project. This step-by-step process in Figma is designed to be simple yet effective. From logging into your account to accessing the plugin and generating your circular text, every stage is intuitive and designed to enhance your creative workflow. Enjoy adding dynamic text elements to your designs and continue exploring all that Figma has to offer.